Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you're doing good. Today, we are going to learn about a new rhyme. Roses are red and violets are blue. Let's start with it. What are these? These are the flowers. This is red in color and this is violet in color. So, now let's start the rhyme. Roses are red, violets are blue. Sugar is sweet and so are you. Once again. Roses are red, violets are blue. Sugar is sweet and so are you. Thank you, children.
Roses are red, violets are blue. Sugar is sweet and so are you. Roses are red, violets are blue. Sugar is sweet and so are you.
Good morning, dear children. Here we come back with another phonic word family. Once again, welcome you all children in our phonic words classes. So, before we start our next phonic words, let's revise once again phonic words with at, an and n. A-T, at. B-A-T, bat. C-A-T, cat. F-A-T, fat. H-A-T, hat. M-A-T, mat. A-N, an. C-A-N, can. F-A-N, fan. M-A-N, man. R-A-N, ran. V-A-N, van. E-N, D-E-N, den. H-E-N, hen. P-E-N, pen. M-E-N, men. T-E-N, ten. Okay? Practice to read the words, children. Now, let's start our next phonic word. With O-T. Art. Okay? O-T. O for orange. T for tub. T for tub. Orange. O. Tub. Tub. O. Tub. It's art. Okay? O-T, art. O-T, art. Join some more letters with art family. Okay? Here I am going to add letter C. C sounds K. C sounds K. K, O, T. K, O, T. C-O-T, cot. C-O-T, cot. What is cot, children? Cot is a type of bed in which is used to sleep or to sit. C-O-T, cot. Next letter is D. It's D. D-O-T. D sounds D. O sounds O. T sounds T. D, O, T. It's D, O, T. D-O-T, dot. This is a dot. You put dot somewhere, right? This is a dot. D-O-T, dot. Next letter is H. H sounds, children. H sounds H. H sounds H. O sounds O. T sounds T. So H O T. H O T. hot. H-O-T, hot. H-O-T, hot. Tea is very hot. Milk is very hot. We don't touch when it is hot. H-O-T, hot. Next letter I am going to add here is L. L sounds L. L sounds L. O, T. L, O, T. Lot. L, O, T. It's lot. Lot of things. It means so many things. Lot of things. L-O-T, lot. L-O-T, lot. L-O-T, lot. Next letter is P. P sounds P. P sounds P. P, O, T. It's pot. P, O, T. P-O-T, pot. P-O-T, pot. P-O-T. It's pot. P-O-T, pot. Pot. Children, in our home, small pot we have in which we grow some small plants and flowers. Right? So, P-O-T, pot.
Sentences time. Observe the given picture and read pot, pot, pot. This is a pot. Pot, pot, pot. I got a pot. This boy said, I got a pot. The pot is not hot. So this pot is not hot. We have to repeat this. Pot, pot, pot. I got, G-O-T, got a P-O-T, pot. The pot, I-S, is not hot. This is also O-T, this is also O-T word, this is also O-T. Pot, pot, pot. I got a pot. The pot is not hot. Okay. Now let's see what the boy is doing. The pot, I-S, is O-N, on a cot. This is a cot. And the pot is on a cot. The pot is on a cot. Dot, dot, dot. Okay. The pot has lots of dots. This pot is having lots of dots. Okay. The pot has lots of dots.
Once again, let's practice to read all the words with word family ought. O-T, ought. O-T, ought. O-T, ought. C-O-T, cot. C-O-T, cot. D-O-T, dot. D-O-T, dot. P-O-T, pot. P-O-T, pot. L-O-T, lot. L-O-T, lot. H-O-T, hot. H-O-T, hot. Children, identify the letters and practice to read the words. Thank you.
Hello children, a very good morning to you all. Today I am going to teach you about the objects in our house. So let's get started. Here is a iron. We use iron to press our clothes. When clothes are ironed, they look neat and give a nice look to our dress. Laptop. This is a laptop. Teachers, parents, students use laptop. It is used in many places like school, offices, shops, banks, etc. This is a gas cylinder. We see it in our kitchen. It is red in color. It is used for cooking food. Thread and needle. Thread and needle is used to stitch the clothes, buttons, hooks. If any cloth is torn, we use thread and needle to stitch and repair the clothes. These are pair of scissors. Scissors are used to cut paper, cloth or thread. It should be used carefully or you may get hurt. Children should avoid using them. Washing machine. This is a washing machine. It is used to wash our used or dirty clothes. It helps us to keep our clothes clean and fresh. This is a mobile. Mobile is a device used by us. It is also known as cell phone. It is used by everyone to talk or give a message who are away from us. It is a small object which can be used from anywhere, anytime. Children use mobile for studies and fun games. Continuous use is very harmful to eyes, so use it carefully. Camera is used to click photos of our near and dear ones. During trips and picnics, we take our camera to click the pictures. Mirror. This is a mirror. Mirror gives the exact image. We regularly use it. In the mirror, we see ourselves. We use it to check after washing our face or after dressing. This is a frying pan. Frying pan is a household kitchen item. Mother used this to prepare dosa, roti or to fry hot puris. Frying pan is used to serve hot food. This is a torch. Torch helps us to look in the dark places, like in the dark rooms or in the night time. It flashes light to show us the way or any lost item. This is a sewing machine. Sewing machine is a machine used to stitch new clothes. Even old clothes gets repaired. It stitches the torn or damaged part of the cloth which can be reused. So sewing machine is a very useful object in the house. So now once again we will revise them. Iron, laptop, gas cylinder, thread and needle, scissors, washing machine, mobile, camera, mirror, frying pan, torch, sewing machine. Practice and identify these household objects. Thank you.
A very good morning to all of you children. How are you all? Hope you all are doing well. So, in this new Monday, we are going to learn some new thing. So children, today we are going to learn about our national leaders. Do you know who are the leaders? They are simply someone whom other people will follow. Like for an example, you follow your father, mother and teachers. So these are the leaders for you. Like that only, when the citizens of our India follow some special people, they are called national leaders. These are the pictures of some national leaders. Let us discuss one by one. Did you know him, children? Who is he? He is Mahatma Gandhi. His full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was the great soul of India, so we called Mahatma. Mahatma Gandhi was a great freedom fighter. He born on 2nd of October. So on this day, we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti. In Ukkunagaram, you see the statue of Mahatma Gandhi in front of Gandhi Park. Our next national leader is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was the first Prime Minister of India. Children knew him as Chacha Nehru, and his birthday is celebrated as Children's Day in India on 14th November. Chacha Nehru loves children so much. That's why we celebrate Children's Day on his birthday, 14th November. Children, there is also one park named after Jawaharlal Nehru in Okkunagaram township named Nehru Park. Now, children, our next national leader is Baba Saheb Ambedkar, or we also know him as Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. He is the father of our Indian Constitution. Children, Constitution means set of rule. Like example, in your home, there is some rule for you like you have to drink a glass of milk every day, sleep early, wake up early, and so on. Similarly, there are some rules for elders also. These are described in Constitution. Now we can discuss about our next national leader. Anyone of you know him? He is Subhash Chandra Bose. He was one of a great Indian freedom fighter. He was also known as Netaji. Our next national leader is Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was the first Vice President and second President of independent India. His birthday has been celebrated in India as the Teachers' Day on 5th September. Now, the next national leader of our India is Indira Priyadarshini Gandhi, who was the first woman Prime Minister of India till date. She was the daughter of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. She also known as Iron Lady of India. Children, there is one big statue of Indira Gandhi in Indira Gandhi Park at Ukkunagaram. So, seeing known plays in named of our national leaders will help you to recognize them.
Our great Indian national leaders. Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Jawaharlal Nehru, Radhakrishnan, Indira Gandhi,
These are our national leaders. Thank you, children.